Okay, what's up guys? This is just a payment that I received just now from this website. As you can see, this is March 28th and this is the time 2025. I just got this payment from this website. So I'm gonna go to the website and tell you everything about this website. So now this is the website, and this website is about completing tasks, watching videos like 23 seconds videos, and you get paid. Now once you register on this website, I will leave the link to this website on this video's description or in the comment section below. So you click on the link and register. So once you are in this page, you come here and click on this task menu. You click on it, then you click on this to be completed. Once you are in this page, everything will be blank here. Everything here will be blank. So once you are in this page, you click on to be completed. So once you click on it, now these are the tasks. So once you are in this page, then you come and click on this particular space here. This particular space here. As a beginner, you are intended to complete only 5 because you didn't upgrade. You are a beginner, so you only add 5. You click on this particular place, this white board, 5. Then you go back, you complete everything. Like this is what I've completed. They paid me 250, just 23 seconds video, 40 seconds video. This is 10 videos about here. This is about 10 videos. I've completed these videos and they sent my payment right this without wasting of time. So you can join their premium plan, VIP plan, VIP. They have VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, and more, many more. VIP 2, VIP 10. They have many more plans. So VIP 1 is paying 50,000. Sorry, 50,000 to join. 120 VIP 2 is 120,000, 120,000. Then you complete 10 tasks every day, which is 400 naira every day. Till like on this website, and for now the website they pay. The grab they pay. So they just paid me. So once I will leave the link to this website in this video's description, or you can find it on the comment section. So I will do more videos about this website on how you can bind your withdrawal, your bank account, and how to withdraw. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is your boy Mark Hostel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'm new here. Give your boys a thumbs up and peace out.